Well, this is the second part of this iron test. We've checked the wiring inside, and the element in the heating tank is receiving the voltage, and it does heat up. All we've got is a flashing on and off light. I've checked the pipes, and now the only thing that it can be really is a fault either on a solenoid, which allows the water out of the tank and through the pipes to the iron, or the control circuit at the back. Depending on how much you paid for the iron is up to you, because these iron stations can be got now a lot cheaper than they were a few years ago. So replacing this part here, the circuit board, is an option. How much they are? Well, I've seen them from £29 to £40 odd. If you think it's worth spending that money on there, do so. So that's about all we can say about this. A bit of a disappointing end, but I don't carry parts for these, and so myself, I'm not going to bother with it, because as I say, you can get these cheap, and so I think this one will just be scrapped. Simple as that. Bye for now.